What's up, guys? For today's video, I'm gonna give my Robux. So Lawrence gonna donate his 1 Robux, and I'm gonna donate some Robux if he donates someone that he. Wait for me. Wait for me.
I'm waiting to find someone that has lower.
Yeah.
Oh, this one.
Huh? Like how much? 41. Three. Yung 3 ka ba? 3 yung Robux.
Yeah, I think 3. I'm going to donate this guy.
You have one only, yeah? Right? Where are you? Where are you too?
Right here, follow me.
Wait, I'm lagging. I'm loading.
I am 85. I need to donate my 1 Robux right now. Faster.
Where are you?
Right here. Teleport to me.
Bro, I cannot CP. This is not
Come here.
Minecraft. Oh. Where?
Let's go. Let's go. Here.
Oh.
I'm gonna donate him 1.
41 naman na yung Robux. Ayun na, kanang pinakagamay.
Okay.
We need to find Tiny.
This guy has 0.
Kanya 0?
Yeah. I know.
But, yeah, wala siya 1.
Just donate him 5.
Wait,
So you will be happy.
ako na siya 0. Friends, nani siya 0. Come. Look.
Donate him 5.
Okay.
So you'll be happy.
Happy. Bro, why you can? I'm pressing the 5. Bro, can I?
Find some guys that has 1.
Okay.
Oh, this guy has 1.
Where?
Here.
Where?
I'm jumping.
2,
But
oh, tara. Okay.
5. Here. I'm at here.
Gani, tara, oh.
Why are you lagging?
Yeah, I'm lagging.
Why is it so long? Donate this guy so bad.
Answer my
What are you doing? What are you doing?
answer my question first. You
Whoa.
have a question.
Enjoy, little buddy, with the
You
1
have a
Robux.
question. So
Enjoy, little buddy, with the Robux. Enjoy the Robux.
what you gonna do in
I donated the
what you gonna do in
I donated the
what you gonna use in what you're gonna use
I hope my 16 Robux is here. I mean 13.
what you gonna use
I will buy a He's donating too.
what you gonna use if I donate you. Hey, what you
1. Oh, nice! Give. I'm gonna say things. Guys, you guys donate
friends
Renz _ no.
what you gonna
Ang mata ninyo, pagbukas mo agad. You guys donate
bro wait what you
bigas ang ampaw.
ayun Renz bro si Renz wala ka Renz
Donita na lang siya,
i-asa na ko siya ang sayang gamiton.
What you gonna use? Kung saan mo i-donate niya? 15 lang kayo.
Ayaw, ako rin magbuot.
Sige. 50 na mapunta man yung kung ano. 1 please. Sugot na siya 1.
What you gonna use for it? What you gonna use for it?
Answer. I don't have 9 Robux. I wish I have 9 Robux so I can donate them.
What you gonna use for it? Answer my
Justin.
question.
Can you donate me when I buy something character? Just 5.
Okay. Pag na ako yung Robux pa.
15 lang i-donate niya. Because I need to. We're having great food today. You see me? Bro, just donate the 15.
I have a question. Answer and I'll
Bro has 10.
donate you. Hey, Reg, I have a question. Answer and I'll donate you.
Friends, I have a question. I'm going to put my stand. Maybe someone will donate. Maybe.
I'm just gonna do
Can you donate me? Just 2?
Ginungitan lang ako sa 9 Reg.
Nice! Can you donate me, just? Follow me. Where are you? You leave ka now.
Wala.
Justin, where are you? You donate ka? Did you donate someone? Justin!
Nag-donate na po ko. Ni Ren.
Oh, just 5!
5 na akong yung ginunit.
Alin, come
Ay,
on.
15 akong yung ginunit.
Come in. Dali, oh.
Ay, di man din.
Tara, man ako, oh. 5 lang. Hey, parang ako bonus. Can you donate me? Bro, ang binila rich ka.
Bro, already must delete it from your inventory. Naalagi ko.
Ha?
4 ra akong ma-donate nimo.
Ano naman?
Kaya ang 5, dili naman donate. Okay ra?
Ay, kuhan lang 4. Please.
I need the Robux.
Please, I'm begging. I will give you all my shares.
Bro, I need the Robux. Just 4. Just 4.
Okay.
Ignan ako na yun. Oh, subscribe to Rickman Gaming.
Bro, ingat food. Bro.
Lie.
Nice.
Oh,
I miss your fun.
how much
Bro.
my subscribe? How much my How much my subscribe? How much my subscribe?
Underscore gaming.
How much my sub?
45.
How much my sub?
Over.
Bro, it's 5. You're lying.
Is so GG underscore gaming 45. Ang nakuha na itong 4 ko. I guess thanks for the 2.
Hey guys.
I wish. I don't even see.
Subscribe to me and comment.
Lul, pila yung Robux na lang yung mo dyan.
Subscribe to me and comment your user so I can donate you.
Type to me and comment your user so nice. Kasi di mo subscribe ni mo dahil mas napugay subscribe. Nabi ako yung bagong GCQ.
1,000.
Me and my friends. Ala, dagano galay ni mo. Bro. Still po kita na dagan galay ni mo. What is the name? Ingan ba? Dili lang kumutaw ka kasi may love ka.
Okay ra.
Ha?
Okay ra.
Wait.
Daganok mag-subscribe.
Ha? Nantaon ako yung kuha na ka ng... Nantaon ako yung sub.
Oo.
Nantaon ako.
Pag mo comment lang tawa. Sige daw, lang tawa daw.
Ay, naabot ko.
Nagkuhan si boy ka.
Ano sa man?
Lang tawa. Lang tawa.
Bro, watch it. Watch it. Hindi pa nga rin mo kanina. Ano ba yan?
Right new gaming. 5 subscriber yapon.
I'ma sub you.
Bro, you. Bro.
Katong tunod ako ng cellphone. I forgot to sub to you. Sorry.
You're wrong.
Ito, what? 2 yung subscriber.
Kan.
Cute.
Kana guru yang na-subscribean ba?
Cute. Enjoy the subs. I-subscribe na ko siya.
Guys, this is my real YouTube channel. I'll let you see. I'll let you see my real YouTube channel, bro. Pakita na ko. This is my real YouTube channel. Bro, this is my real YouTube channel. If you're asking, this is not the one. This is not one.
Yes. That was not the one.
This one.
This is the
Yeah,
one.
this one.
This is the one.
Make sure to freaking subscribe
No.
so I can donate you. Right? I donate. In Toilet Tower Defense, I give my unit if you subscribe. New bad meals.
I don't even play Toilet Tower Defense that much.
And then
What is this? Fast or slow?
alright. You need so comment your user in my YouTube channel so
Bukan pag-edit din
I
namin.
won't donate.
Part 2? Mango. I don't need 4 people using money.
This is the end of the video, guys. They're fake their subscribers or they get donates or no. I'll not donate them only if you subscribe and comment your username so I can add you. Bye.